Is your Siemens EQ6 leaking water onto the counter, under the machine, or from the tray? Don't panic. This is often caused by a full tray, blocked drain path, or a loose part. Let's fix it step by step. By the end of this video, your machine should stay clean and dry. Step 1. Empty the drip tray fully. The EQ6 doesn't always warn you right away. Pull out the drip tray and grounds bin. Make sure you pour out all the water, not just from the top. Some leaks are just silent overflows. Step 2. Clean the drainage channels. With the tray out, wipe down the inner chamber. Use a damp cloth to clean the drain slots and check for blockages. Built-up grounds or residue can cause leaks around the tray area. Step 3. Check the water tank seal. Remove the tank and inspect the rubber seal at the base. If it's misaligned, dry, or cracked, it can leak when reinserted. Wipe it clean and press the tank in firmly until it clicks. Step 4. Reinsert the brewing unit. Open the side door and pull out the brewing unit. Rinse it, dry it, and slide it back in. If it's not locked in properly, water can leak during brewing or rinsing. Step 5. Run a rinse cycle and check again. Go to Cleaning and Maintenance, Rinse Appliance. Watch closely for leaks during and after the cycle. If it leaks again after these checks, it's time to contact Siemens support. Still leaking after all that? There could be an internal seal failure or drain hose issue. We've linked Siemens support in the description if you need service. If this video helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick troubleshooting videos. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature yours next. Thanks for watching, and keep your counter dry.